to show you how to make a picot stitch. Here I've made a chain of 11 or 12 stitches, and now I'm putting double crochets in the stitch. First, you can actually do the picot stitch with any stitch, but I'm going to show you how to do it on a double crochet. You will first, I'm putting a double crochet in the next stitch. You will pass it through first 2 loops, then the last. This is a double crochet made. Now once your double crochet is made, you will chain. This is where your picot stitch starts. You will chain 1. You've chained 1. Now what happens is you will notice that there is a V beneath your chain 1. Can you see? Yeah. Yes. This V. You will pass your hook through that V. Pull up a loop, and just like you do in a slip stitch, you will pass the first loop through the second loop. And that is how you make a picot stitch. Let me show you again. I'm doing it, making a double crochet first. Then you see this V? That's where you will make your picot stitch. You will chain 1 first, then pass your hook through that V, pull up a loop, and just like in a slip stitch, pass the first loop through the second loop. This is called the picot stitch. Happy crocheting! Bye!